Little Ladoos, you're watching Little Ladoo's Craft Box. Today, in honor of Christmas time coming up, we're going to be making this cute little Ladoo ornament. She's so cute. Anyways, keep on watching to learn how.
To make this, you're going to need some googly eyes, some green beads or sequins, whatever you can find, some pink rhinestones, a cashew, some white glue, gold glitter, a black Sharpie, a brush, a little toothpick, and an orange ornament. I'm using a plastic one that was already orange, but if you don't have one, you can paint one orange, and a hook. Let's get started. We're first going to take the ornament and we're going to put on some glue where the eyes would go. So just dab a little bit on and then pop on the googly eyes. Then next, we're going to put on the cashew bow. So we just put on a little bit of glue, and there we go, pop on the cashew. Now if you can't use a cashew, you could just cut one out of some felt or even a piece of construction paper. Now I'm going to decorate it and make it a little bit shiny and add some glitter. So just rub on some glue onto the cashew and stick on the gold glitter. Next, the little green sprinkles. So we're just going to put on 3 dots of glue and then pick them up. Now they are a little sneaky, so it might be a little bit tough, but you can definitely do it if you have some patience. Oh, I lost one. There we go. You might have to use a little bit more glue. She's coming together really nicely. Next, we're going to take the Sharpie and we're going to draw on her mouth. Just go over it to make it nice and dark. And then let's give her some lashes. Two on each side. I feel like the lashes just complete her face. And then her little eyebrows. Just 2 tiny little marks above the googly eyes. We're almost done. And then I have these little pink rhinestone stickers. Now they are already sticky, so we're going to just use 2 of them and give her blushy cheeks. Press them down, and there we go. Make sure everything's in place. Glue anything that might have fallen off. And there we have it. She's so cute. You can add your Christmas tree hook. I got this one from the dollar store. And she's ready to hang on your tree. I hope you enjoyed it. Merry Christmas from Little Ladoo.
Thanks for watching Little Ladoo's Craft Box. We hope you enjoyed today's craft and that you will make it at home. When you do, make sure to tag us on Instagram or send us a DM. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and follow us, and let us know what you would like to see next time. Thanks for watching, Little Ladoos. See you next time.